Actually, I'm currently by the beach in Da Nang in Vietnam. This is so beautiful. We have just arrived to this giant beach. Arella's already in the sand, playing with her lollipop. She doesn't even know what the lollipop is for. She absolutely loves the beach. Isn't it, Arella? This is going to be like your last beach time for now. Do you know that?
Hi everybody, my name is Miriam and I'm currently traveling full-time with my baby daughter Arella and my boyfriend Josh. My current motive in life is to explore the world, try new vegan food and learn about people's culture and do this all while raising a baby. Want to join me on my journey? Then subscribe to my channel right now and press that bell icon down below.
So we decided, unfortunately, that it's time to go back home. So we are going to be in Vietnam for the next 4 days and we decided we want to spend our last time by the beach, enjoy what we have left here in Vietnam. We had to make this decision suddenly because we all know why this is happening, of course, the coronavirus. But, oh well, this will give a pause to our travel for now. But let's just enjoy next few days, especially today, and see what the day has to bring. This honestly is a giant beach and it's surrounded by these like massive buildings. Actually, a hotel is somewhere that direction, but we see a lot of families today on the beach, just I guess trying to enjoy the time here in Vietnam. The weather is also beautiful. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's perfect. It's nice and warm. Perfect day for a beach. This beach has amazing sand, really, really soft, a lot of space, and currently not a lot of tourists. So I realized learning how to make sandcastles. Look, I'll show you. Can you put it down, please? Can you put it down? Put it here. Take this. Put inside. Yeah, inside. Inside. So Josh is just showing Arella how to make sandcastles. Arella, look! Wow! Where are you going? She's more interested in crawling on this beach rather than making castles. So we just came back from the beach. It was a very nice, relaxing time. Now we came back home, gonna wash our bodies, get ready, and then we're going out to get some nice vegan food, which apparently is like 5 minutes walk. So it's really, really cool. But anyways, let's do a room tour because we have like one of the most beautiful places we've stayed at so far with like a bath as well, which is shocking. So I'm gonna show you right now. Welcome to Sea Corner Boutique Hotel. This is our room and as you can see we have the most giant bed ever. It's like 2 large beds connected together and it looks super nice. We also have this giant TV and a window and a mirror, and behind these curtains we have a beautiful view of the construction, but whatever, we can see from this view and just buildings and the street. But what I like about this the most is that we have a lot of light in the room, as you can tell right now. This place was super cheap. I don't know if it's always this price, but it was £10 a night, which that's like within our budget because our budget is £10 a night, and we are so happy with this place so far. And here we have a bathroom. As you can see, it's quite dirty because of all our stuff, but what's cool is that the first time ever we have this nice bathtub. Oh my gosh, look at it. And if we put the blinds up, we can actually see outside as well. Arella absolutely loves this bath. So we have just arrived to this vegan cafe and it's called The Roots. And they have so many nice products here. We just ordered our food, waiting for it to arrive. Arella, you hungry? she is super hungry. We got a smoothie bowl for Arella, a burger for me, and a burger for Josh. So, let's get this food. So we decided that it's me and Juju time right now, and Arella is actually with a family that we met over a week that we've been traveling with, and they were so happy to look after Arella for us for about an hour or two. So me and Juju decided that we will get ourselves massages and just relax for our last time here in Vietnam, get some massages, spend time together before we go apart, and that's pretty much it. So right now we are looking for a massage place and we see what we find, right?
Yeah, so yeah, the family that we left Arella with, we trust them very much. They're family themselves, 2 kids. So yeah, I got no negativity about this, and yeah.
Let's spend some time together, yeah?
Yes.
So our massages are done, and oh my gosh, I basically got like a face massage, facial, back massage, shoulder massage, and neck massage. And let me tell you, it was freaking painful. At one point I was up in the air doing some sort of yoga stuff. Crazy Vietnamese massages over here. But anyways, we are done. We have relaxed for an hour, even more, and now we're going to get some food again and see where Arella is at. So our day is pretty much over. We really didn't do much. We just went to eat, and now we are home packing because we leave tomorrow early in the morning for a plane to Ho Chi Minh. So this is the current situation of our room. As you can see, it's so much mess.
We don't know how this happens. As much as we want to try to keep clean, it just always ends up
Messy. And then Arella is just here in the middle of literally this mess. As you can see, Arella's trying to destroy our piles. Thank you very much. So yeah, we're just gonna pack and then get ready for bed. So now it's Arella's nighttime routine, and she's currently using this giant bath. Arella, are you okay? You got a big bath. Arella absolutely loves having a bath. So here she is. And that is basically it for this video. I just changed kind of Arella. She's not in the mood to go to sleep at all. She made a decision to play with this lollipop, even though she doesn't really know the meaning of it yet. She never had one before. But she seems to be doing a okay job. Do you know that you're supposed to eat lollies? Not yet. But anyways, we're going to get ready for bed and hopefully go to bed soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel right now, and I'll see you soon.